Hello everyone, welcome to hrpreparation.com, India's premier online institute for HR competitive exams. We provide test series, study materials, video lectures, and interview guidance for all kind of HR competitive exams. Today we are going to discuss 2 points: SJVN HR previous year exam paper analysis by question paper, and also understand number of questions asked from each topic and acts. This is previous year question paper analysis part, and here we divided into 3 parts: HR and OB theory part, IR and labor legislation theory part. The last one is labor act part. Let's jump into the main topic. Questions from HR theory part. Here topics from HR theory part as well as from OB also. These are the number of questions asked from each topic, like 6 questions from management, 2 questions from international human resource management, 7 questions from human resource management, 4 questions from training and development, 1 question from counseling, 1 is from reward and recognition, 6 questions from performance appraisal, 3 questions from recruitment, 1 question from placement and induction, 1 from compensation management, 1 from job analysis, 1 from career planning, 2 from business ethics, 18 from OB. OB like with combination of team, group, personality, attitude, some motivational theories. So this will help you to understand where you need to focus while you are preparing for this exam. And so in this video we will show you the question paper also. So in that question paper you can understand few questions which are from out of syllabus and which are from different topics. So the previous paper will help you to understand the question patterns and as well as the topics which were asked and how to prepare for this exam. So this is, we can't say that these are the topics and these are the number of questions will repeat again in this year, but it will give you the holistic understanding how to prepare yourself. And so this is the part, actually questions from IR and labor legislation part. Topics like 18 questions from the IR. The IR nothing but trade unionism, conflict management, negotiation mechanism. So these are the common topics from the IR, theories and all. 2 questions from the Indian Constitution, 1 question from the labor legislations, 3 questions from the wage theory, 1 from the labor market. So here you can understand. So this is the another important part, so where we need to focus. This is the industrial relations part. This is the combination of the all theoretical part from the labor legislation part. So we need to focus where we need to focus on here, like 18 questions from IR. It's not a simple thing actually, so we need to focus more on IR part. Questions from labor laws part. So all labor laws were not covered in this exam. It means so they were not asked questions from all the labor laws, but they covered few labor laws only. So in PSUs usually, so the questions from the labor laws part is very less comparing with the other part. You can find here 4 questions from the industrial dispute, 2 questions from the Trade Union Act, 1 question from the Standing Orders Act, 2 questions from the Maternity Benefit Act, 2 questions from the Factors Act, 1 question from the EPF Act, 2 questions from the ESA Act, 1 question from the Payment of Bonus Act, 1 from the Minimum Wages Act. So these are the questions asked from the labor laws. So we can understand so where we need to focus. And remember, the same thing may not repeat in this year, and we can expect questions from the labor codes also. The labor codes, this is the common for all PSU exams recent days. So few questions from the labor codes and labor laws, and so there is no guarantee that the same pattern may repeat in this year. But however, we covered all the topics from the all theoretical part, and we covered all labor laws also in paid course. So you can visit our website www.hrpreparation.com, and you can check the free content on the website, as well as you can subscribe the paid course. We covered all the topics from your subject knowledge as well as the general paper also. You can find the previous paper here. So these are the questions. So you can find here discipline, it's nothing but subject knowledge. So this is the question from the industrial dispute. This is the common question from the labor laws, and so the answer is the Industrial Dispute Act. In our paid course, you can find the answer along with the explanation. So we have given the explanation also for the each question. So all subject knowledge questions were covered, and this is the actually pattern. The exam pattern is as mentioned for the field officer. It's 120 questions from the subject knowledge and 30 questions from the aptitudes. Total together 150 questions. So here you can find so many questions, and from the subject knowledge questions, so they asked out of the syllabus questions also. If you find here, so this is under subject knowledge questions, discipline, but this is the question from the computer knowledge, as well as so few questions from the out of syllabus, so you can see here. So these are the questions from different topics from the theory as well as some labor laws also. So this is the question. You can find a production function is the function relationship between. So these kind of questions were also asked. So this is not from the purely from HR or OB or from labor laws. It's not from that, but this is few questions like these questions. So you can find these are from the operation management or operational research. So we have to cover that point, but not that much. So this is the very less percentage we can, if you compare with all the questions. So don't break your head. So concentrating on other like operation management or operational research or other marketing part concepts and all. So if you look into that, so you need to spend much time. So if you leave that for 10 or 15 questions somewhere, and just leave it and concentrate on your core topics, but there is no guarantee that the same pattern will repeat in this exam, and they may or may not ask this kind of questions from the other out of the HR syllabus. So these all other questions from different topics. So, and we already given the complete analysis and statistics in previous slides. Yes. So there are 120 questions from the subject knowledge, combination of HR management and OB, IR, labor legislation theory part or Indian constitution, labor laws and all. And this is the general aptitude or general ability. In general ability we can find here so questions from the arithmetic, reasoning, data interpretation. So there is no English in this actually this exam pattern, and a few questions from the current affairs and static GK also, but there was no question from the English, and so we don't know so that English part will be part of this exam or not. So until they release the syllabus we can't understand how they are going to ask. Even the syllabus may be common for all the exams, but better to prepare ready with all kind of weapons. In our paid course everything is available topic wise it means so topic wise test series and study material from subject knowledge, labor laws, labor legislations, and from the general ability also, like from the arithmetic, reasoning, English, So we covered all these topics also for the preparation, and everything is available in paid course. So please visit our website once, and under PSU exams you can find SGVN officer course. So this is all about previous paper analysis, and hope you understood. And please subscribe our channel. For you can join our WhatsApp group also. So there is a broadcast group, and so the link is given below in the description. Click on that and you can join our WhatsApp group, and you can get all the updates, HR job notifications, and all latest updates and all. Thank you very much for watching this video. The course link is available in description. You can click on that particular link and you can subscribe the course for your success. All the best. Thank you very much.